Today we will look at some important bits related to general knowledge. Jeevan Paryant Kartavya is the motto of this military unit of India. A. Central Reserve Police Force. B. Indian Coast Guard. C. Border Security Force. D. Central Industrial Security Force. Answer. C. Border Security Force. Poshan Pakhwada, that aims to raise awareness about the importance of nutrition and promote healthy eating habits, is celebrated by Government of India every year in the month of A. March. B. January. C. June. D. October. Answer. A. March. The motion, when the President of India addresses the Houses of the Parliament during the first session after every general election, is called A. Motion of privilege. B. Motion of thanks. C. Motion of confidence. D. A calling attention motion. Answer. B. Motion of thanks. The Constitution of India has mentioned that English would continue to be used for official purposes for these many years from the commencement of the Constitution. A. 10 years. B. 15 years. C. 25 years. D. 50 years. Answer. B. 15 years. The system of medicine that believes that diseases are caused due to imbalance in the ratio of Panchabhutas is A. Ayurveda medicine system. B. Siddha medicine system. C. Unani medicine system. D. Homeopathy medicine system. Answer. B. Siddha medicine system. The Directorate of Film Festivals is located at A. Mumbai. B. Pune. C. Kolkata. D. New Delhi. Answer. D. New Delhi. One of the following is a famous exponent of the musical instrument veena. A. Bismillah Khan. B. Ravi Shankar. C. Chitti Babu. D. M. S. Gopal Krishnan. Answer. C. Chitti Babu. In September 2023, the Indian government introduced the Constitution Amendment Bill 2023, which proposes to reserve 33% of seats for women in the A. Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies. B. Rural local bodies. C. Urban local bodies. D. High Courts and Supreme Court of India. Answer A. Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies. Pehlwani is a form of A. Boxing, B. Wrestling, C. Karate, D. Taekwondo. Answer B. Wrestling. Identify the correct pair of household circuits. A. Neutral wires green, B. Earth wires black, C. Negative wires yellow, D. Olive wires red. Answer D. Olive wires red. Which among the following was the first site to have been listed in the UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India? A. Sun Temple, Konark, B. Manas Wildlife Sanctuary, Assam, C. Ajanta Caves, Maharashtra, D. Ramappa Temple, Warangal. Answer C. Ajanta Caves, Maharashtra. Identify the incorrect pair. A. Chandrayaan-1, 2007, B. Chandrayaan-2, 2019, C. Mangalyaan, 2013, D. Aditya L1, 2023. Answer A. Chandrayaan-1, 2007. Identify the correct statement from the following relating to circulatory system in humans. A. Aorta is the major blood vessel that carries blood away from the heart. B. Blood pressure is measured in an artery of the arm. C. Alternate expansion and contraction of veins due to blood pressure is known as pulse. Choose the correct answer. A. A and B. B. A. B and C. C. A and C. D. B and C. Answer A. A and B. Aorta is the major blood vessel that carries blood away from the heart. Blood pressure is measured in an artery of the arm. Match the following relating Earth's atmosphere. 1. Troposphere, 2. Mesosphere, 3. Stratosphere, 4. Thermosphere. A. Home of ozone layer, B. Densest layer of atmosphere, C. Hottest layer of atmosphere, D. Coldest layer of atmosphere. Choose the correct answer. A. 1B to C3D 4A, B. 1D to B3 C4A, C. 1B 2D 3 or 4C, D. 1 or 2 C3 B4D. Answer C. 1B 2D 3 or 4C. 1. Troposphere densest layer of atmosphere, 2. Mesosphere coldest layer of atmosphere, 3. Stratosphere home of ozone layer, 4. Thermosphere hottest layer of atmosphere. The 1300 to 1500-year-old temples discovered recently in Mudimanikyam village, Telangana were built by A. Kakatiyas, B. Badami Chalukyas, C. Rashtrakutas, D. Pallavas. Answer B. Badami Chalukyas. As per the 2021 Human Development Index report, India is in the category of A. Very high human development, B. Medium human development, C. High human development, D. Low human development. Answer B. Medium human development. The state that has recorded the highest voter turnout in general elections 2024 is A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Tripura, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Assam. Answer D. Assam. This state has become the first state to launch state-run OTT platform in March 2024. A. Karnataka, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Kerala. Answer D. Kerala. Most rate points in Pro Kabaddi League 2023-24 were scored by A. Arjun Dechwal, B. Pawan Sehrawat, C. Mininder Singh, D. Ashu Malik. Answer D. Ashu Malik. Saiko Mirabhai Chanu, who won a silver medal in weightlifting in 49 kilograms category 2020 Tokyo Olympics, belongs to this state. A. Manipur, B. Sikkim, C. Meghalaya, D. Nagaland. Answer A. Manipur. If you like our videos, please like and share them. You can subscribe to our channel for more videos.